Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Valorant and you keep getting this problem, your game requires a system restart to play, and when you restart your computer you still get this problem, then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Valorant easily. So first off, you're going to go to your C drive, and then you're going to go into Windows, and here you're going to look for a file called VGK boot status. Here it is. You're just going to go ahead and delete this file. Don't worry, this file is not related to Windows. This file is for Valorant's anti-cheat. So just delete this file. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Valorant's directory. So my Valorant is in my C drive. Riot Games, Valorant, Live, Valorant.exe. You're going to right click on it, click Properties, go into Compatibility. Make sure to click Run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply, OK, and then open up your Start menu. Right here, services.msc, and then you're going to search for the service called VGC. So just click onto any service, press V on your keyboard. Here it is. Right click on it, go into properties, make sure the startup type is set to either automatic or automatic delayed start. After that, click start on it and then click apply, OK, and then go ahead and restart your computer once. And once you're done with the restart, now whenever you try to play Valorant, you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that restart problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.